Hi sweet friends, welcome to Uniquely Vintage You. My name is Michelle and my sister Cheryl and I welcome you to our channel. If you love home decor, DIY, and style on a budget, then we are so glad that you're here. In today's video, I want to show you how I took two grapevine wreaths that I found at the Dollar Tree and how I transformed them using flowers that I pretty much had on hand. What I did was I took some flowers from a previous wreath that I used last spring and I want to repurpose those into something new. So I'm making two different ones. One will be more colorful and then another one will be neutral. And I'm going to show you how I styled it. My sister styled hers on the outside of her house and I am going to style mine inside against kind of a rustic old frame. So stick around and let me show you how I did it. To make this wreath, I am repurposing this bow that I had on a previous project. So that's a great tip. If you have ribbon that has a wire in it, 9 times out of 10 you can probably reuse it just by giving it a good fluff. So try that. If you have any ribbon that still looks halfway decent, you can always repurpose it in other projects. Now I'm going to take this really beautiful black and white stripe ribbon that I found at Hobby Lobby and I'm going to just tie it into a bow. Okay, here I am just using these flowers that I had pulled off of another wreath that I had made last spring. So again, I'm just using what I have on hand. I was starting out gluing these on, but I am one to kind of move things around until I get just the look that I like. So a great tip for you is if you're making any type of wreath or an arrangement, it's always good to just place your flowers where you think they're going to go, and then at the end you can go back and add glue to each flower as needed. Okay, this greenery I actually found at Hobby Lobby. I thought it was so pretty. I love how wispy it is, and it looks great in both of my arrangements. So if you're looking for any great greenery that just adds not a lot of weight, but just some wispiness, this is a great greenery that you can find at Hobby Lobby. Once again, I am trying to repurpose some ribbon that I had on hand. This one is not in as great a shape as my last one, but I was determined to make this work because I really wanted to use that burlap with the white. So you will see me just make a bow out of this and trim it up, and in the end, it turned out perfect. Okay, the next ribbon that I found is new. I found it at Hobby Lobby. I really loved it because it was neutral, had this really pretty grain sack stripe on it. So I am just taking it and twisting it, and I'm going to add some wire to it and wrap it around to make this added bow to my bunny's neck. Okay, here I am again, just adding some greenery. I'm also going to use that same really pretty wispy greenery that I got at Hobby Lobby. I'm just going to cut it up, and on this one, I really didn't want it to overpower the bunny since this one was smaller. So I'm taking the pieces and I'm cutting them in two, and I'm just going to use those to place in my wreath. Okay, this lavender that I have right here that I'm using, it actually came from Walmart. It was a great price. So if you're looking for something really pretty like this, check out Walmart. They really have some nice stems. Okay, here is my wreath, and I just styled it next to a old frame that I have. I love how neutral it is, and I love how it complements this frame. So you guys tell me in the comments below, do you like to decorate with color or do you like things more neutral? So let me know which bunny wreath you would make if you were making one. Before I go, I just want to leave you with this really beautiful Bible verse. That person is like a tree planted by streams of water, which yields its fruit in season and whose leaf does not wither. Whatever they do prospers. Psalms 1:3. I pray that at this season and time in your life, that everything you put your hands to will prosper, that you will commit all your ways to the Lord, for God is always good. We love you guys. We thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye, guys.